Hi, my name is Dr. Kaveh Alizadeh. I'm a board-certified plastic surgeon, and I look forward to welcoming you to our practice here. I'm the Chief of Plastic Surgery at WMC Health, as well as Associate Professor of Surgery at New York Medical College, where I oversee the training and education of nurses, medical students, physician assistants, as well as residents who are training to become plastic surgeons. I also oversee the clinical activities of our private practice here on Park Avenue in Manhattan, as well as Jericho, Long Island, and White Plains in Westchester. We do the entire array of plastic surgery services. We do cosmetic surgery, body contouring, as well as reconstructive surgery in patients after accidents or cancer. I also have an aesthetic center where we provide laser services, skincare, as well as non-invasive rejuvenative procedures such as injectables and Botox. My third passion is Mission Restore. It's a nonprofit organization that I founded in 2010 in which we travel the world and train surgeons in the developing countries have the capacity to be able to build their own surgical programs and take care of their own indigent population. We also are intensely involved in clinical research, and we do clinical trials in the latest advances in technology as well as medicines that are relevant to plastic surgery. So I look forward to sharing all of this and more when you come to our beautiful offices here, and I welcome you. Thank you.